Yo, what is up? So in this tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and add our ability to leave the detailed appearance menu, the adjust color menu, and our skin color picker right here. And we can just leave all of this. And we're gonna do some organization and change a little bit of the code we did in the last video. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop in our main menu level here. And the first thing we're gonna do is, so in the last video, someone gave me some pretty solid suggestions for some things we can do better, and one that we're definitely gonna implement, like right now, is in the last video, we set this up to set our color picker up to have all of these, you know, is skin 1, is skin 2, is skin 3, is skin 4. This is actually kind of a dumb idea, because you could end up with like 200 booleans doing it this way. So we're going to change this. So the solution suggested was to either use integers or enums. And we're going to use enums on this. So that's what we're going to do. Go into your blueprints folder. We're going to make a new folder called enumerators. Let's just call it enums. Enums. And we're going to open this up and we're going to make a new folder called custom character enums. Then we're gonna go in here and we're gonna right click. We're gonna go into the blueprints menu here. We're gonna make an enumeration, and an enumeration, I went over it briefly when we made the D-pad controls, but I'm gonna go over it a little bit again here. So an enum is basically a list of things. You can make a list of you know, different names, and based on which name is selected within that list, you can make different things happen. So we're going to switch those booleans out to use just an enumeration that has a list of all of our skins in it. So we're going to call this skin skin color underscore E for enum. Then we're going to open this up, and you see it's just, you know, it's just this right now. You can go up here to the top and add enumerator. And we're gonna name this first one. We're gonna call this one color picker. We're just gonna call that color picker for our, you know, color picker. Then we're gonna add an enumerator called skin 1. And we're gonna add another one called skin 2. So you want to add one for every preset skin color you have in here, and then we're adding another one for our color picker. So I'm going to add a skin 3 and a skin 4. I think that's what we did in the last one. So like that. If you have more, you'll want to add more to the list. But yeah, just to show you how this works, we're going to go into our components, custom character component, and we're going to add a variable called skin colors. And as the variable, we're going to find our skin color enumerator right here. Compile and save, and by default you're gonna go to the defaults here. We're gonna set that to skin 1 because our first skin is that's what our default skin is skin 1. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the main menu widget here, and basically where we set all these booleans, we're just gonna replace this with the enumerator. So on the custom character component here, we can just pull this out and get skin colors. We're gonna set skin color, and we can just delete all of these booleans, and all we have to do now is set what this is, and this is from the color picker. So we're gonna set this to be our color picker, and that way you don't have to, you know, have 500 booleans. All you have to do is have this one enumerator that sets what color you're using. So we're going to do the same thing here. Delete all those booleans. Come off of this, and we're going to set skin colors. And this is going to be our skin 1. So choose your skin 1. And plug this in. We're going to come down, do the same thing. Set skin colors. Delete all of these booleans. Plug the enum in. And this is going to be our skin 2. and go down to the next one. We're gonna set skin colors. Delete all these booleans. Plug this in, and we're gonna set skin 3. And then what we're gonna do is delete all of these and set our next skin. So set skin colors, and we're gonna set skin 4 right there. So just plug that in. Yeah, and as you can see, that is a much more simple solution than having 500 booleans. Now you can even go into your custom character component and delete all of these booleans here. Like that. And now we only have one variable. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do for that. So next, we're just gonna do some organization. So let's go ahead and comment some of this stuff. Let's go to our detailed appearance button and highlight it all. Add a comment. Call this detailed appearance clicked. And I'm just gonna move this under here. And then the rest of this should be our skin, skin stuff. So I'm just gonna highlight all of this and just add a comment and call it skin color code, and just go to the edge, make sure nothing's hanging out. Should be good. And now we're just going to comment each one of these. So this is going to be our skin color button, so just highlight it, add a comment. We're going to call this skin color button clicked. We're going to go down to this one, to our adjust color button. We're going to add a comment. Call this adjust color. Adjust color button clicked. And this not being capital is going to bug the hell out of me, so let me fix that if it'll let me. Of course it won't. And just delete that comment and remake it. So skin color button clicked, and we'll go ahead and move this one. We highlight it, move this one under there, and we're gonna highlight our color picker right here. Add a comment, and we're gonna call this color picker value change, and highlight it. And we're just gonna move it up there. And we're gonna highlight this one. This is gonna be our slider. So comment that one. Call this slider. Our color, our skin color slider change. Highlight it. We'll bring this up to there. This is gonna be our skin 1. So just highlight this one. Add a comment. We're gonna call this skin color 1 clicked, and we'll move it up under this one like that. And then we're gonna add a comment to this one. Call this one skin color 2 clicked, and move it on up. And we'll comment this one. Call it skin color 3 clicked. Let me check this edge. Yeah, it's hanging out. Let me check the edge. Yeah, check the edges. Make sure they're not hanging out. And we'll just move this guy up. Oh, come on. There we go. And our last one here. Add a comment to it. We'll call this skin color 4 clicked. And we'll highlight it, move it up to right there. Check the edge. Yeah, there we go. And now we can just shrink this. Shrink this. You may have more because you may have added more colors. Just, you know, comment all your colors. Keep it organized. So now, the kind of crappy part that we have to do here is we need to add all of these variables that we've made into our category. So, the abandoned border, I'm just gonna add that to character creator base. The abandoned no, I'm just gonna add that to character creator base. Abandoned yes, I'm just gonna add that to character creator base. Adjust skin color button, I'm gonna add that to our skin color. Character creator border, that needs to go into our character creator base. Character details border, that can go into... do we have a character details? Let's see. See what all we have in here. Yeah, we should probably add a new category called character details, and that'll go in there. Character status border, that can go in character creator base. Color picker synth 2D slider, that can go into our skin color. And then all of these buttons that we made need to go into our skin color. So just add those. It'll take a minute, because we got a bunch of them. I may just, damn it, not references. I may just time lapse this part, just speed it up, because this is gonna take me a little minute here. Alright, so once you get all of that done, we've got these last three right here, and all three of these are also going to go into skin color. So, there we go. Now all of that is pretty organized. You can just close these menus. And there we go. So, compile. And save. And now, the last thing we're going to be doing is adding our back input for leaving the menu. So, we're just going to copy our menu back button there. Copy and paste it. And I'm just going to look at my reference here, just to make this go faster. Took a screenshot so I don't get confused. Alright, so the first thing we want to check is if our detailed appearance is open. So, let's just copy all of this right here. Copy and paste it. Open that menu up, plug it into the started. And we need to find our booleans here. We're going to see if our detailed appearance menu is open. Just delete that menu there. And what we want to do is set our detailed appearance border to be hidden. So just find your detailed character details border. Is it that one? Let's check. I think it's that one. Named it a little different in here. And we want to set our... Uh-oh. Okay, never mind. We're going to set that to be visible. What did we call it in here? Detailed appearance border. Did we name it something else? Let's see what we named it. Go to the graph. Or the designer. Detailed appearance. Character details border. Okay. So that seems right. And we want to set our... I think it's our character creator base. Character creator border. I think this is what we want to set visible. We'll check that real quick. So, set visibility to visible. Then we want to set our detailed appearance to be false. Delete that boolean there. Find our other booleans. Character... We want this to be hidden. Your character details border, we're gonna set that to hidden. Character... detailed appearance open. Should have named this stuff the same, because now I am getting confused. So just set that to be false. And character creator open. So character creator open, we're going to set that to be true at the end. And let me just do a test to make sure that's set right. Compile. And save. Play. Detailed appearance. Press back. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah, the naming is kind of messing me up there. Character details and then character creator border. Yeah, gets confusing. Alright, so let's just copy this and paste it down here. Plug the branch into there. And then the next one, we want to see if our skin color menu is open. Skin color menu open. Let's get that. Let's delete that one. Set that. And then what we want to do is we want to set our skin color border to be hidden. So let's find our skin colors. Let's go way down. Skin color border. We're gonna grab that in. We're gonna set that to be hidden. I don't think we need this guy right here, so delete that visibility. Then we want to change the booleans down here to be skin color menu open. Let's see. Skin color menu open. Set that. And we're going to set that to be false. Actually, we probably should have kept that other one there. We'll keep that boolean, and this is probably what we're setting true. So just move that one aside. Set this one false. And yeah. We're going to set this to true at the end here. We'll just give that a little test. So, just to recap. Skin color menu open. If it is, we're going to set our skin color border to be false or hidden. I'm going to play the sound. We're going to set skin color menu to open to be false, and then we're going to delay and set detailed appearance open. So, let's see. Let's give it a little check. Skin color, back, back, back. Yeah, that's right. So, let's see. Now we got one more that we're gonna do here, which is for our color adjustment menu. So, let's see. What did we call it? Skin color adjustment menu open. Let's go ahead and just get that. We're going to copy all of this in and paste it. Hook it up to the false of that branch. And then we're going to get this boolean and set that. Delete the other one. And what we want to do here is we want to set our adjust skin color border. Let's see, let's find it. Adjust color border. We're gonna set that to be hidden. And then we want to pull some of this back, copy and paste. And for this one, we're gonna set our skin color border to be visible. So just copy and paste it from the last one. We're gonna change this to visible. And then we want to change our booleans here to be skin color menu open. So grab this one, copy and paste it. Oh, actually, all we gotta do is switch one here. Switch this one to true. And delete that one. And we want to set our skin color adjustment menu open. We're gonna set that one to false. Right here at the end. If it'll plug in. There we go. So that should be good. Let's give it a test. Let's see. Detailed appearance, we can go back. Skin color, we can go back. Adjust color, and we can go back. Seems to be working. So yeah, looks like we're good to go on that one. So, actually, you know something really fast we can do, that I've been, let's go ahead and add our name, because this is so fast and so easy. Let's go ahead and do that. So, let's go to the designer, and we're gonna find, let's just search for our name. Name text box here. Go to your name text box, and on text change here, we're gonna click that plus, and we'll just put it down here. We're gonna get our player ref. Get player ref. Set name. Or let's get our player stats. Player stats. Not player state. Player stats. Get player stats component. And then we want to set name. Set player name to be the text. Oh, we can't set that text? We might have to change that variable. Okay, let's go into our player stats component. Player stats component. Let's go into our player name. We may have to change this to a text, or not a string. Let's go to text. Let's try that. Compile and save. Go back to the main menu. And set name to the text. There we go. And just to check it real quick, we will print string to be this text. Just to check that it's actually to be this text. Let's check that real quick. Yeah. Seems to be working. Cool. So, that's what we're gonna do there. So just delete that, and that'll set your player name. So just compile and save. We can go ahead and comment this. Call it set player name, and pull this guy up here. And we'll compile and save. So that's all we're gonna do for this one. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you're new around here, definitely subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know those down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.